number 5. In the number 5 position, we have Waylon Simmons with a PB of 9.818, one of the fastest B series in Jamaica. Built by Spoon out of Ocherest and tuned by Jamie Marsh.
Let's go.
This is an amazing run, I can tell you. Looks like a 9.8. Brilliant. 9.8.
Number 4. Coming in at number 4 is Travis Thomas with a PB of 9.808, the fastest 2ZZ engine in Jamaica. Nose, alright, the builder of the infamous Starlet 2ZZ turbocharged. I saw you repost and say it's the fastest stock 2ZZ.
Yes, man.
And I mean, when I say stock, I mean old stock.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I mean, the engine is on full.
Yeah?
Apart from pulling the crankcase to put the turbo drain,
Okay.
that's it.
Your fans online, when they saw the times they posted, everybody said, boy, look like 9s for the weekend. Is it possible in your eyes?
Definitely.
Yeah?
Because we see a lot of issues
Okay.
and we're going to correct them.
Alright.
Definitely we're going to lower the time.
Okay.
Yeah. And
So the plan for the weekend, is it time or class and trophy?
I haven't confirmed with the owner yet,
Yeah.
but I think it is time more than trophy for him.
Oh, how are you feeling now? I mean, knowing that you have the fastest 2ZZ on the island.
Well, I'm really good, you know?
Yeah? And not only that, I mean, you have one of the fastest front wheel drive On the island as well.
Yeah. But you know you couldn't do it without the nose, you know?
Good job.
You have a lot of fans out there, a lot of them gunning and you know, saying, boy, 9 seconds in the machine. What you think?
We have something Sunday, I come up with sleep, so.
Alright, alright, just look out.
Yeah.
Number 3.
Coming in at number 3 is Richard Puffy Nicholas with a PB of 9.702. This car holds the title for the fastest front-wheel drive Toyota in Jamaica. Puffy, how you doing, man? I see you take your time, get in the car, dial in. You know, definitely one of the most impressive parts I've seen this car made. Yes, was it yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
Yeah. I mean, what are you hoping for? You know, I see you're about to go out now, but what are you hoping for?
Well, I'm looking for 10.6 yesterday, so
Yeah.
anything better than that
Is a plus.
is a plus. I mean,
Okay.
if I win, too great.
For first round elimination, is it a buy run?
No, I'm going up against somebody who ran 10 on yesterday. That'd be
that?
great.
Who is that?
Snake.
What?
Yes, man.
Both of you are Toyota platform, Toyota engine, so power plant. May the best man win.
Yeah, it is. Thank you.
Alright, Puppy.
All right.
Well deserved. I mean, one little E them say.
Thank you. One little E. I don't understand how you're so tall though, because I'm on cloud 9. How come we're on the same level?
No, it's been in the making, and trust me, congrats again, 9-8. Trust me, awesome.
And it has more in it.
You serious?
This is a big rivalry between us and Antigua. You know, Antigua, them have a Spartan.
Yeah.
I think they've been there was a race to 9s. Did they go to 9s? We did it first.
We're Jamaicans though. We're the center of the Caribbean, you know this.
It is what it is.
Alright, first to 9s. Yeah. This car is now retired with the title the fastest front-wheel drive Toyota in Jamaica. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 is Charles Webb aka 45 with a PB of 9.194. 45 broke the long-standing front-wheel drive national record for Jamaica, hence becoming the fastest front-wheel drive car in Jamaica. Will 45 attempt to break the national front-wheel drive record in 2024? Only time will tell. Coming in at number 1 is Tevar Grizzly Anderson in a time of 9.141. Officially 9.5.
9.53. The PB so far. 4th gear, we have a big boost leak, so we're just fine here now, so we'll sort it out. 4th gear was flat, top of 3 was flat, so everything look good for tomorrow, man.
Congrats, bro.
Blessings. Big up to
Tomorrow,
76.
every time.
I still be here standing.
Record holder, the fastest front-wheel drive vehicle in Jamaica.
Caribbean.
In the Caribbean?
Caribbean.
Alright, now how does that feel? I mean, what's the feeling? Can you describe it?
It's a good feeling, and it's also a feeling that puts you on guard, because they say when you're at the top and where the level is right now, it's not Jamaicans alone gunning for you right now, everybody gunning for the time. This weekend we really wanted to move the time. Car had it in it, but we damaged the second gear. Yesterday we had a boost cut issue, which we were on the 8-second pass yesterday, and we just had a little boost issue that prevented us from getting it, but there's nothing showing us once we sort out the gearbox now in December what we couldn't have it, especially seeing that December should be a cooler car, and today was sweltering hot and the car ran good for what we had going on today. We had some issues, but nothing that we could have fixed. We fixed one of them, and just that the second gear didn't hold up today, but we're definitely going to open the gap on the second gear, and I know 45 is there. He's there. I know I'm not sleeping good for the next 2 months, but we always welcome the challenge, and I want to thank him also, because sometimes you're the inch, and I'm going to say we felt the car and we felt like we needed to respond to the car, And instead of us inching, it just made us start to jump instead of barely walking. So big up 45. Looking forward to the rivalry over the next couple meets. And anybody in the Caribbean willing to answer the call, unless you run the faster time, you have to come test me out here. And if you beat the time, we'll come test you wherever you are. So that is the call out to everybody in the entire Caribbean right now as it relates to front wheel drive.
Practice, yeah. And I'm just getting started, getting feet wet. It's all in repetition, ain't a secret. All facts, all black dress code. Pay me my respect, collecting every debt. Oh, the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what she used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard.
To order our products, visit our website at www.876streetsgears.com.
Who almost made it to the top 5 list? Number 6. Coming in at number 6 is Ziggy Nurse in a time of 9.929, the fastest single cam in Jamaica.
Coming up next on 876 Streets.
How the weekend I go so far?
Can I go and go down?
Yeah, no star, man. Why?
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.